Hi, this is Pati from Pioneer Choice. I am in the marketing team and shoot videos. This is the backdrop and background. This is the main camera, Panasonic Lumix G7, and another camera, Canon 600D, and these are the lights. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, this is Jyoti from Pioneer Choice. I have been in teaching field for quite some time, but I had gained a lot of experience. Now I feel myself comfortable in teaching English in Pioneer Choice. I was also working as a teacher in Little Angel High School in Hyderabad. I have a kid who is 6 years old, and my husband is working as a chef in Fairfield Marriott in Vizag. This is my workplace. This is the desktop. This is the screen through which I can see my students clearly. This is the Logitech 4K camera through which students can see me clearly. This is the AKG microphone through which students can hear me clearly. As we all know, teaching is a noble profession, so we are able to help students from different walks of life to speak English fluently. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.